Okay, so today I'm gonna check these two boxes with tree swallows on them. I suspect there's back-to-back nesting in there. There are two pairs looking at me. Meadow is doing great. It's kind of bright looking into the sun here. I wasn't intending to do the meadow, but I'm also going to check that pair of boxes that are back to back. See a tree swallow hanging their head out of each one of those. Coneflowers. And then I'm going to check as well that pair of boxes. Fledglings have already left the one on the left. And I see a tree swallow sticking her head out of the one on the right. By the way, many of these boxes are already fledged, but tree swallows are back in them, so let's see what's in them. This is the first pair. Paired up, set. Oop. There's 4 tree swallow eggs in this one. Send that back out a little bit. And then this one. This box is already fledged 5. And oh my. So even though there 5 have already fledged out of this one, it looks like someone is in this one laying eggs, tree swallows. So confirmed, these pair of boxes both have tree swallows in them. Okay, this is the second paired up set of nest boxes. And this box is already fledged. Set of 5 today, this summer. Oh, look. We have 6 eggs. 6 tree swallow eggs in this nest. So this one will fledge another grouping. Let's check the box on the back of this one. There are eggs in this one. Looks like 5. I don't know if I can. Yeah, there we go. 5 eggs in this one as well, tree swallow eggs. So that's 2 pair on this pole as well. This is the second set of boxes with 2 pair. Okay, the tree swallows are a little more aggressive for me today on these 2 boxes. This is the yellow and purple house pairing. And it looks like because her 5 babies have hatched. I know if, yep, we can see the babies, tree swallow babies have all hatched in the yellow box. Yay. So let's see what's in the purple box. These had both laid eggs about the same time, so I'm hoping they're all about the same age. And it looks like, yep, they are. So tree swallow nestlings in this one too. So excellent. Cool feathers, huh? I don't know if you can, yeah. So that means I've got 3 posts with paired boxes that have tree swallow nests in them. That one over there, that one over there, and this one.